Bullish JASMY coin. JASMY cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $0.027002 and $0.051003 by 2030. Market examiners accept JASMY could reach $0.021001 by 2025. Bearish JASMY coin market cost expectation for 2023 is $0.0048. JASMY coin. JASMY presentation. JASMY coin, as a stage, was sent off to utilize the Web of Things, IoT, gadgets and media made to store and handle information in a decentralized structure. Very much like the conventional design of a market, the cryptographic money market continues developing and spreading out, while inviting new conventions and groups consistently. Nonetheless, with this consistent advancement and extension, more cycles are made to support them, and one of these arrangements is JASMY coin. JASMY. JASMY stage fills in as an information assurance convention that places information a vote-based system at a high worth and expects to go about as a delegate for the solid trade of information and resources through their confidential individual information storage spaces (PDL). This guarantees that information isn't effortlessly gotten to by unapproved parties and further handled and put away in unified frameworks, which help information examination and cornered conjectures. In this article, we'd investigate the idea of JASMY coin. JASMY. Will the past cost presentation make it a wise venture for the following bull run? Will it hit all time again after this demise twisting? And what's the cost conjecture for JASMY before very long? What is JASMY coin? JASMY. JASMY coin is an Ethereum-based ERC coin and local badge of the JASMY stage, a Japanese organization that Kunitake Endo made to interface more web, IoT, gadgets in this way, developing the customary method of abundance move, as the gadgets are utilized as an installment for the help. This symbolic serves a gigantic scope of issues and purposes. JASMY coin. JASMY is likewise a utility symbolic that gives the framework and climate to decentralized servers to assist individuals with the most common way of putting away their information in an information storage and exchanging them with organizations prepared to have it. This decentralized server that offers this help and is utilized by the stage is called IPFS, Interplanetary Document Framework, a decentralized stockpiling framework. Juan Bennett made this capacity framework. However, the organization used to construct it is Worldwide Space Record Frameworks, IPFS, which offers a convention that speeds up, makes a more open and more secure web, and coordinates trust into the blockchain. This convention is additionally Web3's stockpiling network that offers the motivating forces of Filecoin as its auxiliary. JASMY can likewise be applied to our everyday exercises like program driving, dispatch administrations, and in any event, shopping. For example, Silos Centrapay, a SensNet blockchain installment stage created, got, and incorporated by JASMY, can be utilized at candy machines. This large number of utilizations referenced above demonstrate that the utilization instance of JASMY both on-chain and in reality is areas of strength for that interest in the token won't disappear yet rather increment over the long run. It's a decent coin to purchase for a wise venture portfolio. In any case, this isn't monetary guidance as you're encouraged to properly investigate things. JASMY coin is as of now worth $0.006 United States dollars. JASMY has moved 2.91% as of now with an exchanging volume of $43,953,344. JASMY coin is as of now positioned 633 among all cryptographic forms of money, with a market capitalization of $285,438,087 United States dollars. Using the overall strength file, RSI, moving weighted normal, MWA, Williams fractal, and moving normal combination dissimilarity, MACD, from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for JASMY coin. JASMY, to conclude, whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation figures utilize continuous JASMY coin, JASMY, market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in view of current market action. JASMY coin, JASMY, value expectation 2023. JASMY coin, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital forms of money to rise this year. JASMY. The JASMY cost gauge for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, potentially coming to $0.009001. Similarly as with other digital currencies, the ascent will be continuous, However, no extensive drops are normal, averaging $0.008401 and cost is very aggressive. However, it is doable sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and headways. JASMY is supposed to have a base worth of $0.0072. JASMY coin, JASMY, value expectation 2024 out of 2024. JASMY coin JASMY cost forecast has a lot of space for extension because of the likely declarations of various new associations and drives. We guess that the cost of JASMY will before long outperform $0.015001. Notwithstanding, we ought to hold on to check whether the JASMY's general strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, JASMY will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0.012001 and a typical exchanging cost of $0.013201. JASMY coin, JASMY, value expectation 2025. In the event that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $0.021001 and JASMY might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. JASMY is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $0.019201 and a low of $0.018001 in 2025. JASMY coin, JASMY, value expectation 2026. On the off chance that JASMY coin effectively supports market opinion among digital currency devotees, the JASMY coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, JASMY will be green in 2026. The JASMY is supposed to reach and outperform its unequaled high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at $0.027002 with a base cost of $0.024002 and a typical cost of $0.025202. JASMY coin, JASMY, value expectation 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized investigation, we gauge the JASMY cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $0.031202 by 2027, with a base cost of $0.030002 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, JASMY has a most extreme value worth of $0.033002. JASMY coin, JASMY, value forecast 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $0.037202. On the off chance that JASMY figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of $0.039002, neglecting to assemble the help JASMY needs by 2028. Could bring about a low of $0.036002. JASMY coin, JASMY, value forecast 2029. While JASMY is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush communication, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $0.04